Hello friends, myself Neelam Tarangi, and today's topic name is this keyword and super keyword. Let's see the these keywords. What is the use of this keyword in Java programming? What is a this keyword? This this keyword is a reference variable that refers to current object. Use of this keyword. First use is this can be used to refer the current class instance variable. This can be used to invoke the current class method. This can be used to invoke the current class constructor. This can be used to used to pass an arguments in the pass an argument in the constructor. This can be used to pass an argument in the constructor. This can be used to returns the current class instance from the method. Let's see this statements one by one. First one is this can be used to refer the current class instance variable. The parameter and instance variable are same. When the parameters and instance variable are same, we are using this keyword to distinguish the local variables and instance variable. Second is that this can be used to invoke the current class methods. If you don't use this keyword, the compiler automatically adds this keyword while invoking the methods. When this keyword is used mm, sorry when parameterized methods are there, then this dot method parasynthesis, the parameters are passed. When there is no parameters in the method, then this dot method name and parasythesis access, there is no any parameters, empty parasythesis brackets are present. Second one is third one is this can be used to invoke the current class constructor. Here when if he when the constructor used then what is the syntax?